Like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Yep, there's a swirl on the lure. Yep. Oh, dropped it. Is he going to come back? Oh, we're under it. Come on, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Come on. Is he still there in the shallows? Let's try again. Oh, yep, there we go. I think that might have been fourth cast of the morning. There's surface action, bait skittering everywhere. Makes me think I got here a little bit too late. But we've got a fish on. I don't think it'll write any records. But I'm pretty sure it's a bream. There we go. There we go. Yeah, not bad. First fish of the morning. Oh, try not to get a lure in the hook in the finger. There we go. Little PX 45, I think. Wanted something that would look a bit like a prawn skipping across the surface. Get that one little bit of a hook out. There he is. Send him on his way. There he goes. Woo. First fish of the day. Hopefully many more to come. Oh, look at all that action out there. Right in the middle of it. That's it, come on. Yeah! Ha ha! That's it. Fishing over a bit of shallow rubble here, so I don't want to let the fish get down too deep, but I've only got 4 pounds, so I also don't want to pull too hard. There we go. Second little bream for the morning. I think it might be a little bit of an upgrade on the first one, but I still don't want to get a hook in my finger. Settle down, boy, settle down. Oh, there we go. Not your classic release. Hey, you're going the wrong way, buddy. There we go. Second fish of the morning. Okay. I hope the camera can pick up just how much surface action is happening around here. All of this bait being moved around. You just wouldn't credit you could throw a lure in there and it would come back without a fish attached. But I'm being greedy. I've caught 2 fish already this morning. Let's try again. Come on, you're under it, come on, you've had a swipe. Have another crack. That's it, well done. Well done, fish. Oh yeah, have a crack. This one's got a little bit more weight. Don't know if I'm pulling it sideways maybe, if it's been foul hooked or if it's a better fish. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of weight. Wonder if maybe it's a flathead. It didn't bite like a flathead. No, definitely a bream. Bream number 3. There he is. Yeah, pulling him sideways. That was it. Yeah, that's it. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it again. That's it. Now you got it. Well, I think that's bream number 4 for the morning. And I've been here about half an hour. There he goes. Whee! Let's try that again. That's it. That's the one. No mucking around. That's the one. Don't know if that means it's a better fish or maybe just a sillier fish. Hasn't pulled much drag yet, except on a little bit of a strike. So maybe not a decent fish, but hey, any surface fish, it's a good fish. Oh well. Yeah mate, I know. Steady on, steady on, steady on, steady on. Yeah, I know. There we go. Swing, way off he goes. What a great start to the morning. I didn't even think the tide would be quite right yet. Wrong. That's it. Yes. Well done, fish. Good on you. Yeah, baby. Oh, still having a go. Come on, mate. Come on. That's it. Well done. That's a better fish. Well done to you, fish. Oh, don't put that hook in my finger, please. Yep, that's a bit better. First hook up really on the inside of the mouth today. Good work, fish. And off you go.